All right, we're answering your questions now. First up, Joe, what are your thoughts on Health Peak?
My thoughts are I'm long, and I like the quarter. We've got 20% revenue growth. That's the best quarter that Peak has reported since 2012. We're going to have an annual profitable quarter, or year rather, for the first time since 2016. It's not just about senior housing. It's about the portfolio expanding into life sciences. It's a REIT healthcare name that I've mentioned, I own, and will continue to do so.
Okay. Next up, John from Lee in Hong Kong. By the way, that was from David in California. Thank you. I didn't have the sheet in front of me, so I didn't say that. Apologize. Lee in Hong Kong. The gold miners. Should I add or hold GDX?
Hold. I wouldn't add here. I think, obviously, fear and things that are when the governments and or markets are in turmoil, gold in particular gets the benefit from that. Right now, that seems to be lessening, and so I don't want to be caught buying more GDX here, Scott. I would wait for a pullback.
Okay. Rob, to you from Jill in Albany, New York. What index funds would you recommend going into 2020 for a moderate risk-tolerant investor? That's a good question. Thank you for it. Rob, what's the answer?
Great question, Jill. I think I would focus on what's been working and what adds a little less beta to the portfolio. And our focus has been on dividend stocks of VIG, as well as quality stocks, quality growth stocks, QUAL. So I think you're safe in buying those.
All right. Carrie, to you from Brandon in Georgia. Anyone picking up Zoetis on the pullback before earnings seems to be a trend? You own it.
Yes.
So what do you think?
So, Brendan, we like Zoetis here. I think that I might add half a position. This is a stock that has been on a very sharp upward move for the last year. Of course, it's a unique asset, being veterinary medicine. And, of course, it's got farm animals, some of which are in Asia. So there may be some risk with the Asian poultry, the swine, other types of meat that could be infected by the coronavirus. We don't know anything about that right now. We like the stock. We haven't sold any, but I might wait to add the full position.
Okay. Jimmy, lastly to you from Tully Urbach. Do you see Boeing going lower than 300 in the near future? And that would be a big, startling move. You'd have to have some pretty bad news coming out of that.
Yeah, I almost wonder if that's a typo, but I'm going to answer the question as it's phrased. No, I don't. Unless, here's the only thing I think that could happen is they start flying the 737 MAX. If one of those planes goes down again, either on certification or after certification, it's Katie bar the door.
You didn't just say that.
But I don't think that's going to happen. Wait, what are you guys overreacting? I don't think that's... She wants to know, is it going to go below 300? No, unless that happens, okay? That's not going to happen. This is a high engineering quality company that has spent the last year and a half redesigning this plane to make sure it doesn't happen. And by the way, the path of least resistance in the shares right now is up, so this is a good hold.
I would have called that a very nice low probability disclaimer. I think it's fine with Jim.
I don't know why you guys are upset about that. I really don't. Joe is doing his dramatic, oh my God, what are you talking about? Joe's like the moral quotient over here. I can't believe, did you say that you can't believe I said that? Look, I'm analyzing a stock. This is what could go wrong. There's downside risk, there's upside risk.
That's a pretty big downside risk, Jimmy.
Yeah, that's exhausting.
How do you think I feel?
I think you feel he's exhausting, too. Thank you for asking.
I was looking at you both.